Hello everyone, this video is going to be focusing on giving you guys a bit of a tutorial on how to upload Excel files and how to do it correctly. You may be getting some errors if you're doing it slightly incorrectly, so I'm going to give you sort of an overview of how it's intended to be done. So firstly, we're going to start off on this overview page. We're going to find the buttons on the bottom and go to the admin button. Then we get a couple of options here. We have Excel uploads, and I'm going to be focusing on this video. I'm going to be focusing on the GPS data, SNC, and body comp. For the bulk register athletes and all of the adding users and stuff, I will do that in a separate video, which you can find on this YouTube channel. So what these require are certain Excel files with certain headers, as well as a file limit, and some of them require certain sheet names. So I'll explain that a bit more now. So for GPS, for example, the sheet name that is required, so that's the sheet within the Excel file, there is no sheet name that is required. It always uses the first sheet available on an Excel document. And it also requires all of these headers that you can see here. Then for the SNC, it prefers a sheet called all data. So if you're uploading gym data, you want to have a sheet in that Excel file called all data. And if it's not found, it will use the first sheet on the document. And it requires these headers here shown, as well as chin up relative, I believe. And for body comp, it's a bit more precise. So it needs a sheet name called exactly this, skinfold underscore data, with the correct capitalizations and everything. It needs this sheet name within the Excel file. Then it will take all of the information from there, and I will show that off now. So if we go into physical profiles, go into body comp, we can see there's no data here. So if we go back and go into upload body comp, select an Excel file with the correct sheet name, I'll find one here. We can see it was successful and it was imported 188 entries. So if we go back here to physical profiles, body comp, we can see here now there is statistics populating this screen here, and we can see most measurements, and we can see that it is filling out all of the athletes. Now, another thing that might happen when you upload an Excel file, it might say players not found. And for that explanation on how to handle those players, I request you to go and find the YouTube video talking about unregistered athletes. But that's it for uploading Excel files. Again, if you need help with players not found or registering athletes, there are other YouTube videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have fun using MySilo.